Hey everyone! Alright, listen up because today we're diving into the heart of America, a place full of surprises. Kentucky. We're talking rolling hills, finger-licking good food, and a whole lot of history. If you're thinking about a visit, you gotta know what you're getting into. Stick with me, and I'll break down the top 10 things I wish I knew. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, first things first, we gotta talk about the Bourbon Trail. This ain't just a tour, it's a pilgrimage, a journey into the heart of American whiskey. We're talking legendary distilleries, each with its own story, its own character. Imagine stepping into rickhouses, the air thick with the smell of aging bourbon, barrels stacked to the ceiling. You'll learn the history, the craft, and of course get a taste of that liquid gold. Next up, the Kentucky Derby. Now, even if you're not a betting person, this event is electric. The atmosphere is buzzing, the fashion is over the top, and the horses, well, they're celebrities. Picture this: the roar of the crowd, the thunder of hooves, and the thrill of watching these majestic animals race to the finish line. It's an experience you won't forget. Let's go underground, literally, into Mammoth Cave National Park. This place is mind-blowing. Over 400 miles of explored caves, massive chambers with stalactites and underground rivers. You can take guided tours, learn about the geology, and even go spelunking if you're adventurous. It's like stepping into another world. Alright, let's talk food. Kentucky's culinary scene will have your taste buds singing. First up, the hot brown, an open-faced turkey sandwich with creamy Mornay sauce. Then there's burgoo, a hearty stew packed with meat and vegetables. And don't get me started on the bourbon pecan pie. Trust me, you'll want to loosen your belt. Kentucky is horse country, and I'm not just talking about the Derby. These rolling hills are dotted with picturesque horse farms, where the world's finest thoroughbreds are bred and trained. You can take tours, learn about the industry, and maybe meet a future champion. It's a glimpse into a world of tradition and beauty. For all you outdoor enthusiasts, Red River Gorge is calling. We're talking towering sandstone cliffs, lush forests, and cascading waterfalls. It's a hiker's paradise with trails for all levels, from leisurely strolls to challenging climbs. And if you're into rock climbing, this place is a mecca. Imagine scaling those cliffs, the wind in your hair, the view from the top breathtaking. Chapter 8, Kentucky Music, get your toes tapping. Kentucky's got soul and you can hear it in the music. This is bluegrass country, folks, where banjos and fiddles rule the airwaves. But it's not just bluegrass, you'll find a vibrant music scene from country to rock to blues. Check out local venues, catch a show, and let the music move you. Chapter 9. History comes alive in Kentucky. History buffs, listen up. Kentucky's got history in spades. Start at Abraham Lincoln's birthplace, where you can step back in time and learn about the 16th president. Then head to Shaker Village, a beautifully preserved community that offers a glimpse into their lives. Kentucky's past is rich and waiting to be explored. Chapter 10. Adventure awaits at Mammoth Cave. Ready for some underground excitement? Mammoth Cave National Park offers the world's longest-known cave system, with over 400 miles explored. Whether you're up for a guided tour or prefer a self-guided hike, the stunning rock formations and mysterious caverns will leave you in awe. It's an adventure you won't want to miss. Alright folks, that's a wrap on our Kentucky adventure. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. And hey, leave a comment below about what you're most excited to see in Kentucky. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy travels.